Perhaps you have noticed that lately the majority of YouTube channels are using animated avatars like this. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these animated avatars using AI in a simple way. So without further ado, let's get started right away. The first thing we need is a character for our video. For this video, I'll use Leonardo AI. In the search bar, I'll enter this prompt. You can copy it from the description. It will display many results. Carefully choose one that you like the most. If you aren't happy with the results, don't worry, you can generate more and more and more. If you aren't happy with the background but like the character, then type Anime Studio. Try to find a room with a lot of colors to grab attention. Carefully look and choose the one you like the most. Now we need to remove the background from the image. We will use a background remover for that. It's a free website where you just need to register and get HD images. But if you don't want to register, don't worry, it will work just fine. Upload the image and the site will process it and download it to your computer or mobile. The final step, we'll use CapCut to edit the video. It's a free program that is very popular and widely used for video editing. Open CapCut, press the size ratio and set size ratio to 16:9. Drag the edited image into the timeline. I got a video of a talking animated mouse. You can get any video from YouTube. You just need to remove the background by clicking the cutout chroma key, color picker, and click on the green background. Mess around with the intensity and make it really good. Add effect. In the effect section, you have many effects to choose from. I'll add some effects, and with that, I'll finish this. Finally press export and you have a completed animated character. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you in the next video.